Oo, mami ito.
Sabi niya.
Galing niya. Sabi niya, wala kayo. Di ba preparado?
Nagsabi niya.
Nagsabi na, wala na. Nagabalik na ng kali na.
Sabi nga siya, monthly mas na lang.
Monthly mas na lang. Wala nag-abot.
Dili nagkasa ano.
Dili nagka komunikasyon.
Pero sabi na ni Manay, nasabihan ako na dito sa taas. Kaya, Diling kami na ang pagi.
Oh, maligaw man. Maligaw man. Umikot ng daigdig. That's the way it is. That's the way it is. When you Bam's channel, thumbs up Dan. Thank you Bam's channel from USA. Thank you so much. Bakit nawala yung dollar? Dollar sign. Na-demonetize ako. Demonetize yung channel. Hi baby, creator. Na-demonetize yung channel ko. So sad. So what creator? Raymark Torrigosa. Hi, hello Raymark. Thank you for the 11 people in the house. Thank you so much. 10 people in the house. Salamat. Dahil sa hindi ako naging active dito kasi naging busy ako sa trabaho. Tapos ganyan. Dapat pala 6 months consecutive. Dapat mag-upload ka kahit isang video. Tapos ganon. Or mag-live. Mag-upload, mag-live. Parang naawol ako. So, balik sa dati, kailangan ko ma-reach ulit yung goal para maka-apply ulit ng monetization. Ma-monetize ulit yung channel ko. Dapat pala ganyan. Wala yung dollar sign. Three months lang pag wala kahit di Monica Agro. Yes, opo. Mawawala yung monetization, hindi ka na money. Sayang ng pinaghirapan. So kahit na busy ka, kahit mag-live ka, para mag-active ka kahit siguro sa loob ng isang buwan. Kahit isang live, isang upload na video, ganun. Burns English. Opo. Hello, Baba.
ka. Mara. Lisupan.
Supais?
Mara man pinag-ibig.
Kay ano ko lang sa nabay?
Sino makaon ito?
Nagano'n sa address may ano oras? Di ko alam. Because the only thumbs up is mine. Burns, no thumbs up. 0 thumbs up. Because you said you give thumbs up, but you don't. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. Guys, tap your chin for a like. For it. Thank you. It's queens, not kings. No thumbs up, not yet thumbs up. Zero thumbs up. Thank you so much. When you wake up and I'm sitting in the ground, don't give up on your faith. Love is the light to Cheryl, you need to put that they have to subscribe to ask you questions. Okay. Hi, Norma Cañete. Hello, Ma'am Norma Cañete. You're so cute. Thank you, Mom. I'm so cute.
Makalunta niya sa nila.
Umbot daw. Salamat po.
Kapag may sabaw. Sino na mamay?
Norma, can you please hit the like button? Thank you po.
Iyo ba? Mara, kalapit ka. Mara kape.
Salamat. Salamat sa naga, no? Sa 3 people in the house. Salamat po. Because now the thumbs up is mine. 3 months lang pag wala ka. No Zumba. No Zumba. No Zumba now. To fix that. No Zumba. Don't give up on your faith. He needs to fix the roof. Yes, fix the roof. He fixed the roof, then the other cements need to furnish the wall. That is outside your room. Where is he putting cement? The wall. The wall. Outside the room, the wall. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you guys. Who told him to put cement on the wall? My mother. My mom. Tiga lang. Kalababang. Oh my God, why? Oh my God. Miracle, what a sister. Mana ka? Mana ka? You're gonna get her sick. Atabaw ng paman, may mabot man siya na ituruga. And he's cute, gossip with him. He kept staring at me. He kept staring at me. My mom talked to me. He said, "Hey, going to. Good morning, Charlie. Good morning, Tito Stefan. How are you, Tito? Thank you, Tito, for joining the live. Thank you, Tito from Canada." How are you doing? I'm doing live. Later, I'm going to wash the clothes. Why you delete the message? Why you delete the comments? Okay? Thank you for the thumbs up. Lucky you. I do that every day here. Oh my God. Later, I cook. Ganda. Thank you po, Nash Otep. Thank you, Nash Otep. Thank you so much. Are you feeling better now? Yes, Tito. I'm feeling better now. Taga saan ka? Taga Bicol po. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. And the 6 people in the house. Thank you so much. Pwede makuha FB mo. Private yung FB ko eh. Yung magagalit. Good, not fun being sick. Yes. Yes, Tito, not fun being sick. Nashing. Opo. Not fun being sick. Every day is not, it's not good being sick. I'm thankful. I feel good now. Feel better. I take medicine every day from prescription, the doctor prescription. What did Nas say? He said, can he get my Facebook? When I go, she don't take all this. But at least I take medicine every day. He wants to get my Facebook account. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much.
Para magkaroon siya record na. Pag nag-record, yun alam
Oh my god. Hey, what? Tim from Nash Hotel. Tim Harley. I'm Philippines. Okay, Tagalog kami ni Cheryl. Tim. Mute. Nash. Tim. Okay. Nash Otip said Tim we're live here in the Philippines. That's why we speak Tagalog. That's why we talk Tagalog. Thank you for the 7 people in the house. Thank you so much. Pinoy kami. And Nash, I said, English, you don't need her Facebook. Keep. Meron. Because this speaker, what happened last night, that's why I need to take up. I need to mute on. Baka dumugo ilong ko. Nose bleeding. Oh my god. Tim. He may speak Tagalog. I said English. Hi, Sir Ray Miller. Ay, Lego. Lego? How are you, Ray Miller? Thank you for come back. You speak English also, Nash. From Hello Pete Pollock, hi pretty lady, I come back to visit you and Mr. Oster. Hope you are all well. Thank you, Sir Lee Pollock. Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you guys. Now what we eating? Guyabano. Guyabano. Guyabano fruit. Guyabano. We called it here miracle fruit. Ang Tagalog prutas. In Tagalog prutas. Guyabano fruit. Prutas. Bon matin, Cheryl, G. Carly, and Frankie, Eddie. Saba. Saba. Thank you, tita. Bonjour. Merci beaucoup, tita. Team from Nash Otef. English Nash. Cheryl, add mo na lang ako sa Wash Otef para friend tayo. Saan po? Sa Facebook? Wash Otef. Nash o Wash? Oh my goodness. Thumbs up dan, maganda Cheryl. Hi Greg, thank you so much. Welcome back. How are you? Ben Benveno, Manchuri, magandang umaga Cheryl. Ano ang nangyayari? nangyayari nangyayaring kaganapan ngayon. Wala naman, masayang umaga po, tita. Good evening, Greg. Magandang umaga. Kumusta? Ingat ka. Magandang umaga, magandang Cheryl. Thank you, Greg. Magandang gabi sa'yo. Magandang gabi sa'yo, Greg. Good evening. Bakit ang ingay dyan? Opo, maingay. Yung mga bata, sa basketball yung mga bata. Ayan po, sa harap ako na nagbabasketball yung mga bata. Puro sampay. Puro sinampay. It's always good spirits him. I just didn't understand why you brought up Annalyn. That's past tense. Annalyn? Who's Annalyn? Who Annalyn? Greg, who's Annalyn? Tita, no, I was friends, Jenalyn first. Your house is across from a basketball court, yes. Yes, Tita. Yeah, apologize to you. We don't need to replay the other day. What happened the other day? Cheryl, just drop it. Drop it. What happened to another day? Thumbs up. Thank you, Tita. It means stop, Cheryl. Oh, why is it need to stop? Stop. Oh my goodness. Who's Annalyn? The other day with Greg and Lee. Greg and Lee? Are you talking about Annalyn, Greg? Yes, they are talking about Annalyn. Who's Annalyn, Tita? The Greg X. I think Annalyn, Greg X. Thanks, Tim. We can be great brothers. I can teach you so much about the culture that you won't find on YouTube. Cheryl, stop talking about it. Oh my God. Stop talking about it. Okay. worried, but I just wanted to apologize to you. Nagsimba ka ba? Hindi pa po. Mamayang hapon. Mamayang hapon po. Punta ako na. Cheryl, do you still go to Zumba? You will enjoy that one. Today, I'm not Zumba today. I'm not going to Zumba today. Something happened. Yes, I really enjoy doing Zumba. But today, I'm not doing Zumba now. Today. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Salamat. You tell them what happened, Cheryl. No, even before, they know I'm doing Zumba. I do live Zumba. I posted Zumba. Posted. I'm doing Zumba even before. So much noise and activities there, so they can't hear. So quiet, started hearing birds yesterday. It's been very cold here. Yeah, very noisy here. And a lot of people talking around me. I hear a lot of people talking, kids playing. Sometimes that's why sometimes I walk a lot and go to the nature to feel the quiet place. To feel, need I walk alone. The quiet place. Tita, when you get the first snowfall there, I miss the daily life in the Philippines. Yes. Here, a lot of enjoyment in life. So much. A lot. Fun. Fun time. Tita, enjoy here in the Philippines. Priceless, the happiness. The different living here in the Philippines. Most slow living. They're different. A lot. So much. I used to watch you and before working. Yes, before. Maabot ang parcel ko. Niyan.
Maupod kita.
Maabot ang parcel ko niyan. Order ko na parcel. Maabot.
Hula pa. Gabi.
Ayaw na pagpupunta si Guy. Gastusin.
Hindi man maggasto para ang gasto ko hindi ko ang kuan. Corneto. Kana ako, babang. Kana. Oy, Gabriel. Pag kita. Ay, pagwa kong sa ikong kangina pagsimba. Pasakay ko.
Tim, depends where you live in
Kana.
Canada. Here in the
Pagkadiri.
Canada?
Pagkadiri.
Kapag ka?
Hindi mo, luhaan siya.
Yeah, the East Coast, we get snow around October, about 8 months of winter. Yeah, for good months of nice weather.
Ako, ako kan pindi,
I can find my charging cord for my AirPod. I just had. Okay, wow. AirPod. Oh, AirPod. Hapag ka, Gab? Hapag ka? Gab? Okay, Tita. Thank you for the 7 thumbs up. Tita, have you been to Toronto, Canada? Have you been? Have you been? Thank you for the 5 people in the house. That's why we are not here during the winter. We travel to warm countries. Just started to back to the Philippines every year after COVID. Good morning, G. Who's G? From Bawani Singh. Yes, I live in Toronto for 7 years, Greg. Wow, 7 years. Thank you for the 7 people in the house and the 8 thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Live in Vancouver for a couple of years. Vancouver, Canada. That's right. It's very nice place. How I wish I go there, visiting like travel. Travel in Canada. How I wish. How I wish I'm going to Canada. Yes, that's where I started my nursing career after university. Wow, that's great, Tita. Tita, my sister lives in
Gabriel!
Abuman o gupod? Abuman. Tita, my sister lives in Canada, in Toronto, Canada. I go every year after my birthday. Okay. Okay. Guapa Chanda lives in Canada. Guapa Chanda lives in Canada. Guapa Chanda? Who's Guapa Chanda? Your friends here in ano? Vlogger? Hi, Mark. Hi, Cheryl. How is your weekend? Mark, you come back again. What happened? How's your weekend? The weekend is great. Happy weekend. Nice weekend. Better weekend. I'm doing live the weekend. Thank you for the 7 people in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Mark. You come back again. How are you? What happened to you? Thank you, Mark. Where, where are you from, Mark? Where do you live, Mark? I forgot where do you live. That's great. I live in downtown then moved to the suburbs, Scarborough. So you go visit here every year, Greg. Chanda Guapa is famous. She sings and dances on YouTube. Wow, that's great. Chanda Guapa. I'm Thank you so much. Chanda.
Kain din yung mo sa kabista sa dagat. Maugang ko na rin. Yung masaray ka pare, yung mga paunod, ang karobuso mo sinalagay. May bara nuno, yung mga niyan
Why
tinagyan.
do Filipino vloggers name their
Ako yung mga
channel?
tirada ko.
Guapa People Vlog. Sounds like they want attention. Yeah.
Parang mga tirada nila yung kukuhaan.
Guapa Vlog. Yes. Attention seeker. Yes, they are.
Ang parang Kristino mo, ang pagkamrot mo na hapit mo yung aragawin mo. Ito, hapit ang kamot mo ka. Kaya ka po. So, mahapit ang kamot mo ka, ano? Dapat pinuusan mo kung makapatrabahoan niya.
May pinakala ko.
Pinuusan mo lang yung nito. Kayo, di talaga. Kapag bayaan mo lang yung mo sa oras. Saan na lang. Kaya nga, kung may trabaho ka man.
Hey, red messenger. Wait. Okay.
Hindi lang ba?
Messenger. What is taking you so long? Okay. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Team Tita Greg, thank you so much for joining my live. Hello, Mark. Thank you for joining. Thank you, Greg. Tito Stephen, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. See you later. Bye-bye. God bless us. See you later. Bye. Love you all.